Unlock a world of free entertainment on your Samsung Smart TV with Amazon Mini TV. Let's dive into how to get Amazon Mini TV up and running on your Samsung Smart TV in just a few simple steps first. Grab your Samsung Smart TV remote. We're going to head to the main App Store on your TV's home screen. Look for the Apps icon, usually located in the bottom menu bar. Select it with your remote. Now you're in the Samsung App Store. This is where we'll find the Amazon Mini TV application in the search bar, which is typically at the top of the screen. Use your remote to type in Amazon Mini TV. Once you see the Amazon Mini TV app in the search results, highlight it and select it. You should see an option to install or download. Click on that and let your TV do its magic. The app will download and install automatically. After installation, find the Amazon Mini TV app on your TV's app menu or home screen and open it. You'll likely be prompted to log in with your Amazon account if you don't have one. You can create one easily from your phone or computer. Once logged in, you're free to explore. Browse through a huge selection of web series, movies, and shows, all completely free. Experiencing playback issues? Don't worry, common problems are usually network-related. Ensure your Samsung Smart TV is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or a wired Ethernet connection. You can check this in your TV's network settings. A strong internet connection is key for smooth streaming. If the app isn't available in your region's Samsung App Store, ensure your TV's region settings are correctly configured. Sometimes, a simple restart of your TV and router can resolve temporary glitches. Just unplug them for about 30 seconds and plug them back in, and that's it. You're now equipped to enjoy a fantastic free entertainment experience with Amazon Mini TV on your Samsung Smart TV.